In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Illustrator paths into Cinema 4D and extrude to 3D with rounded edges. We'll start by bringing your Illustrator artwork into Cinema 4D. If you're using a newer workflow, the easiest method is to drag and drop your saved .ai file straight into the Cinema 4D viewport. You may see an import dialog. Pick the scale that matches your project unit so your artwork arrives at a sensible size. If you're on an older workflow, use File, then Merge, and select the .ai file you saved. Either way, you should now see your paths as splines in the Objects panel. If something looks off, it often helps to double-check that your shapes were saved as simple paths from Illustrator and that they're properly closed before importing. Next, let's convert those splines into 3D geometry. In the Objects panel, select the splines you just imported. Now go to Create, then Generate Objects, and choose Extrude. Cinema 4D will add a new extrude object to your scene. To give those lines thickness, drag your imported splines onto the extrude so they become children of the extrude object. As soon as they're parented, you'll see the geometry appear in the viewport. If the depth isn't what you expect, click the extrude object and, in the Object tab of the Attribute Manager, adjust the offset to control how far the shape pushes out in Z. A small value works well for logos or icons, while larger values suit more pronounced 3D titles. If you want softer, more finished edges, let's add some rounding. With the extrude object selected, head to the Caps tab in the Attribute Manager. Set the Start Cap and the End Cap to Fillet Cap, or a similar beveled option. You'll instantly get rounded edges on both the front and back. Use the radius to control how big the rounding is, and increase or decrease the steps to refine the smoothness. More steps give a smoother bevel, but add more polygons, so balance quality with performance based on your scene needs. If you notice shading artifacts, try modest radius values and keep the steps reasonable for clean results. That's the core workflow. Import the .ai file, create an extrude, make your splines children of that extrude, and then dial in caps for a polished finish. Save your scene, add lights and materials as you like, and you're ready to render a crisp 3D version of your vector art. Thanks for watching, and enjoy turning your Illustrator designs into clean 3D objects in Cinema 4D.